Hello guys, welcome back to Rahmatulah's kitchen. In today's video we are making chicken biryani. As you can see, I've already prepped my ingredients. I'm just going to take you through. I have my chicken, which I've already taken out the skin. As you guys know, I don't like skin, the chicken skin, but if you like it you can go with it. And washed, chopped. And I have 2 large potatoes which I've already peeled as well, and garlic paste. I have about 5 cups of basmati rice. I have 3 large onions and some chili pepper. Next to that, I have my cooking oil, chicken stock. I have 2 large tomatoes, and I have my fresh yogurt or natural yogurt. And I have some cloves, some bay leaf, some cinnamon sticks, and I have this biryani spices. I think at this point I've already thrown out the box. Yeah, this is the biryani spices, mixed spices. You don't have to go and buy all the other spices. Everything is mixed there for you. You just grab it and use it. Quick and easy. And next to that we have our cayenne. And now let's start it with the cooking. Okay, as you can see, I have 2 pots already, which I'm going to be using, one for the rice and one for the stew. Okay, I think at this point that's what I was explaining, but anyways. Now we are going to add in our cinnamon stick into the water, and 2 bay leaf and some cloves. At this point I think I have already added about 6 cups of water, and I'm going to add in about 2 tablespoons of oil, vegetables oil, and about a teaspoon of salt, which I'm going to leave the full recipe down below. Okay, as you can see, I've already added my oil, some bay leaf, and I think at this point I'm still showing you guys the spices. Onion, chili pepper, saute that about 5 minutes, and I'm gonna add in the tomatoes, chicken and potatoes. Mix everything very well, and now we are adding our spices, garlic paste, chicken stock, cayenne pepper. Don't worry guys, I will leave the full recipe down in the description below, so you don't have to worry. Okay, as you can see, the water is boiling already. Now we're gonna add in our rice. I've already washed my rice, so now I'm gonna add in the rice. The rice, you don't want to cook it through, you just want to cook it half and half, if that makes sense, because you're gonna finish cooking it with the sauce. Okay, we're gonna leave that to cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, as you can see, I'm mixing just to make sure nothing burnt. Okay, this is the rice. I've already used the drainer to drain it, and now I'm gonna add in about 3 tablespoons of yogurt. You want to use Greek yogurt. Okay, our sauce is ready. I'm just gonna take out some sauce just to do the laying. Leave that aside. Now we're gonna add in some of the rice at the bottom. You want to leave some stew at the bottom of the pot, and next we're gonna add in the remaining stew. Now I'm gonna add in some fried onions, which I fried earlier on. If you don't want to fry it, you can buy the ready-made one, they have it. And now we are gonna add some coriander. And repeat the same process basically. Gonna add in some stew. Basically that's another layer. You want 2 layers or more. Okay, this is the finished look, guys. The biryani is ready, nice and yummy. I end up adding some saffron, which I forgot to record, sorry about that, but I'll leave everything down in the description below, don't worry. This is our biryani, guys. This is one of my family favorite in this house. Our chicken biryani is ready. Look at that.